In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a rental property on Facebook Marketplace. This is a great tool to reach potential tenants quickly and conveniently. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Once there, log in using your credentials, or if needed, go ahead and sign up if you haven't already created an account. Having a Facebook account is essential for accessing the marketplace feature. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. There you'll find a tab labeled Marketplace. Give that a click and you'll be redirected to the Facebook Marketplace main page. This is the hub for buying, selling, and renting on Facebook. Next, locate the Create New Listing button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking this will start the process of listing your property for rent. From there, you'll see several listing types. Select Home for Sale or Rent. This step is crucial as it ensures you're categorizing your listing correctly for potential renters to find. Now it's time to grab your potential renters' attention with some visuals. Upload high-quality images of the property. Make sure you cover both interior and exterior shots. This is your chance to showcase what makes the property stand out. Lighting is your best friend here, so try to take your photos during the day when natural light can really make the space look inviting. Once your images are uploaded, you'll be prompted to fill in more details. Start by choosing the rental type that best describes your property, whether it's an apartment, townhouse, or a single-family home. Next, accurately enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. These specifics help potential tenants know if the space will meet their needs. Following this, it's time to set your monthly rental price. Consider current market trends when deciding this, and don't forget to include your location. Precise location input ensures your listing appears in the searches of people looking for homes in your area. Continue by crafting a compelling rental description. Be informative yet concise, highlighting key features like nearby amenities, public transport options, or recent renovations. This is your opportunity to sell the lifestyle, not just the property. Don't stop there. Enter the square footage of the property, and then select the availability date. It's important for tenants to know when they can move in, so make sure this information is accurate. Now on to amenities. Choose details like laundry and parking types, along with air conditioning and heating options. These are often deal breakers for renters, so make sure to highlight what your property offers. Also, if your rental is pet-friendly, be sure to check off whether cats or dogs are welcome. Finally, review all entered information and click Next. This will take you to the final step where one more click on Publish will make your listing live. Congratulations, your rental property is now available on Facebook Marketplace for potential renters to see. And there you have it, a seamless way to list your rental property on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for tuning in.